Guys, Seedance 2.5 is finally here.
Nova, what are you doing? Help me!
We gotta get out of here! Not again!
Guys, Seedance 2.5 is crazy.
Hey, that's my video and my studio. Please move. Guys, so finally Seedance 2.5 arrives today. I am gonna show you the ultimate tutorial of it. Let's get started.
All right, step 1. Head over to luva.ai and select Seedance 2.5. What makes this model special is it natively supports 30-second continuous generations, and you can upload up to 50 character reference images to lock down consistency. So I'm uploading character reference sheets for myself and my co-host Adam. Now I'm dropping in a massive 30-second master action prompt. Let's hit generate and... hold on.
抓紧，我们快到屋顶尽头了。
继续开，我来清掉尾巴。
告诉过你我。
Look at that lighting. The camera movement is ridiculously smooth, and the character consistency is locked in. The audio generated natively in Chinese by default on this attempt, but if you specify English in your prompt, it handles it smoothly. In fact, one creator, Patrick on X, recently dropped an all-French 30-second short generated on Seedance 2.5 that blew my mind.
Tu rentres à cette heure-ci? C'est toujours pareil!
J'étais en service.
Je t'appelais 10 fois! Tu te fous complètement de nous, j'en ai marre!
Je tapais pas le raison, c'est mon boulot, lâche-moi avec ça! Lâche-moi!
Maman, j'ai fait pipi au lit.
Can Seedance 2.5 actually handle natural, fluent foreign language dialogue with accurate phonetic lip sync? Let's find out. I'm uploading my character sheet and prompting a 10-second scene set at a sunny outdoor Paris cafe where I order coffee from a waiter in French.
Bonjour, un café au lait et un croyant, s'il vous plaît.
Très bien, mademoiselle. Autre chose avec ceci?
Non, c'est tout. Regardez comme Seedance comprend le français.
Seriously? Look at those mouth movements. The lip sync is frame accurate. The facial expression feels so natural. Now, let's push the AI actor's emotional range to the absolute limit. I uploaded Adam's character sheet and asked Seedance 2.5 to make him transition through 4 distinct extreme emotions inside a 15-second continuous shot. Okay, the emotional transitions are insanely dramatic, from laughing to crying to screaming in 15 seconds. Although, wait a minute, why did the AI give Adam slightly feminine features during the scream frame? I laughed so hard when I saw that. Sorry, Adam, but emotion-wise, that was incredible. Next up, physics. Can Seedance 2.5 handle time manipulation? We prompted a rainy intersection crash where time freezes mid-impact. You've got to see this. The volumetric water droplets and floating glass debris are photorealistic. The spatial awareness here is next level. Finally, I wanted to create our channel's new cinematic intro. Here's the secret workflow. Save all your reference assets in one place. Upload your character sheets, @Nova and @Adam. Upload your sequential storyboard frame images, tag your characters in the prompt box, and hit generate. That gives you the exact high-octane intro sequence you saw at the very beginning of this video. Honestly, guys, Seedance 2.5 on luva.ai is hands down the most capable AI video model I've tested so far. The 30-second single-pass capability alone changes everything for creators. I really want to create a full-fledged cinematic short film using this workflow next. If you want to see that happen, do me a massive favor, click the YouTube hype button below, hit like, and share this video.